Content creation has no negative effect. You see, when you create content and upload a video, you'll probably get 1 view or so, maybe more, but you'll never get less. When you get followed by someone, your content creation goes up or your analytics go up. It will always go in an uptrend. So if you can just realize that it really doesn't have a negative downside, or at least compare it to another side hustle like the stock market, or real estate, crypto, NFTs. Most of the time you'll be starting with a loss with those hustles, but later on get better as you go. But with content creation, you go up right from the start, and you may even lose some followers here and there, but don't get discouraged. That's nothing compared to the other side hustles, like me losing $4,000 in the stock market. And no, I wasn't a noob. I've been studying the stock market since I was 12 and learning and all that, you know. It just wasn't for me because I was doing day trading. If you invest, that's a whole nother story. And if you haven't seen progress in your journey, then you need to learn the basics. How to storytell, having good hook, how to edit your videos, how to properly record your videos, how to have better audio and other stuff. But when you get good at all those factors, trust me, you'll see progress.